Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best FavePay cashback rate. So let's quickly dive into it. FavePay makes saving money fun with cashback rate that can reach 15% to 30% during special promos, perfect for your favorite restaurant, cafes and beauty spots. This limited time offer are ideal for trying new places or treating yourself while getting reward back. Even on regular day, you can still earn around 5% to 10% cashback with hats on nicely over time. Combines FavePay with good credit card to stack reward, and always check for ongoing promotion in the app so you never miss out any important promos. Also, small steps like these can turn everyday spending into smart savings. If this actually helps, like the video, subscribe for more quick money tips, and comment which FavePay deals you are trying to grab next. And that's it.